take two, because my camera cut out the last time. Anyways, so I am Fame Kirby. For all you who don't know, this is what I look like. If you come to my streams, you already know what I look like. Anyways, um, going on. This is my computer build that I'm gonna be making. Um, I'm gonna put a i9 9900K. Yeah, whatever, you guys can read it. I guess I'll just talk about it. I have a PC right now, obviously. I don't really game on it a lot. I mostly just play Rocket League, but I'm trying to change that. I just mostly play my Xbox, which hopefully I can get to change around here with this new all-white build. Um, Hold on a second. I gotta bring this over here. Anyways, I'll tell you a good old story for now. I ended up going to like this computer place. It's called Micro Center. For those who don't know what it is, it's called Micro Center. Those who know what it is. Um, Anyways, I got some computer parts. I wasn't gonna spend a lot of money, and I ended up telling myself I'm gonna start my white build. So to start off, you can see I have the Model O on my screen. Model O. Okay. So as the story continues, this thing is an amazing mouse, and I'm excited to have it. I am waiting though to bust it in for when I get my new PC. Those who don't know what it looks like, kind of looks like a final mouse almost, just glows up and stuff like that. So that's a mouse I have now. Kind of wish I would have got it in but I don't care. Glossy looks cool as well. Anyways, I did buy a case. Okay. Now this is where the fun fact comes into. Okay. You can see NZXT case. You know, this bad boy got it all good, right? Saw that it was white on the outside. Didn't even attempt to look. It says right here matte black. That's what it comes in. Till I got home the next night. I go to open it. Open it up. It's black. I'm like, the heck? Thought I got it in white. Didn't look at the top. So now I have a $114 case when it's $99 online. And I think I don't know. My grandpa is actually going down there in a couple of weeks, or maybe, I don't know if it's a couple of weeks, maybe this week, I think he told me. He said he could take it down and exchange it for a white one, so I might be alright there. Let me do, oh, wait. I'm thinking about, let me find it. I want to do something like this. I don't know if purple would be my go-to color though. I wouldn't be so sure about purple on that. I mean, the purple looks dope, don't get me wrong. I dig the purple. But I'm not really sure what color I want as a backdrop. Like, most of these are obviously purple, white, and purple. So maybe purple's the way to go, or maybe, yeah, most of these are just white and purple. Which maybe purple's the way to go. Maybe purple looks better with the white. I I don't know. Um, Obviously I'd have to figure that out. And get more opinions on this. This is pretty cool too. But I'm definitely gonna get this all white PC setup rolling. I want to do something obviously, like I said, like this. Maybe purple is just the way we go with it. Um, obviously, I'm not into. I actually used to run triple monitor. I do not like how triple monitors run because I have to run it in uh stand or full screen, and I like to run my games in borderless so that I can just tab out easy. But I don't know. As you can see, I'm gonna get a ducky keyboard. I don't think, yeah, obviously getting the white ducky keyboard. You have to grab this one. I'm probably gonna go cherry blue switches. So, and 2 to 3 very random keypad. Whatever. That's probably what I'll do in that section there. Trying to think anything else. Those who want to know what my motherboard looks like, since there's not actually a picture of it, grab this here. Dun, dun, dun. This is obviously what I'm gonna get for my motherboard. White, yes, I know it's only freaking only got the one there, but that doesn't bother me. Definitely, I think I have an SSD in this. Yeah, I do. I have an SSD. I probably would die without an SSD. I live off SSDs. They're so fast and like I just have to have an SSD or I'll go crazy. But yeah, that's obviously my motherboard I'm gonna grab, and that's basically my build. I'm gonna get some more fans. LED lights are not in there. I have not like thought of any like LED lights to throw in there. Um, or I mean not throw in the case. Behind my desk. I'm not sure yet. I still have to pick out a desk, and I have some things I have to do still to get this all running, but when it's done, it should look dope. Hopefully that's the end goal, is to make it look dope. Um so yeah. Anyways, I plan to come back to YouTube. Me and someone are supposed to record a video for the Fame channel, which will be up sometime soon. Um, I'll show you something. Hold on, guys. Fame. If you guys type that in right here, you need this. You need to hit the subscribe button like right now. Like stop what you're doing. Like even if you're at work, like go do this. Like subscribe now, because we're coming back with more videos again, and we're gonna drop it all back into the days. The good old days. I'm actually starting our first video. I'm gonna find it here. This video right here. I can't find it, dude. It's gonna take me a minute to find. Hold on. Yeah, that's not a video for this time, but if you go into the videos, it's somewhere in here. But it's called Fame, yeah, Fame Shane. It's called right here. Basically, whatever.
Everyone uses it.
You play Search and Destroy, and basically, if you die, you have to take a shot at whatever you guys, I guess, come up with. Me and the kid that are actually gonna do it came up that we're gonna do hot sauce, so that will be out soon. Um, hoping, hopefully, we're gonna get some videos out and stuff like that. My channel is Fame Kirby, obviously. This is my channel. Don't mind this Buck Ups 4 edit because it's horrible. But anyways, in all reality, it's been fun. And that is this video for now. I would love to get back into playing. If I get Modern Warfare on PC, I'll definitely get some videos out for you guys. Mostly I've just been playing Rocket League, and no one really wants to watch Rocket League videos. So Rocket League and Call of Duty, and I do have one, but it's not really good. So like capture card for my Xbox. So yeah, that's it for now. This was a 10-minute video and I didn't expect it to be this long, but I'll put this link in the description to my computer build. If you have a better suggestion of better stuff to go with, like that's white or something, you find something better, put it down in the comments. Like, subscribe. Go subscribe to the Fame Union. And that's about it. Peace, guys.